Hi there. By now, everybody has their masks, and uh, we really love the mask with the soft metal nose piece that conforms to your nose. They are so awesome and comfortable, and your glasses don't fog up as easily. So, when you have your mask, you will place it on your nose and it will shape after your nose. The important thing though, it is a very soft metal, and it's not meant to be very sharply bent or crushed or crumbled because it can wear out and it can break. So when you launder it, it's important to take care of them. And I like to think of them almost like the wires and bras, how you protect them. So there's certain things that people buy to protect their bras if they wash them in the washer. And those actually are also kind of nice for your face masks. So one of the most common ones is something like this. It has a structure around the bottom, and once you zip it, it has a structure up here, and it will keep your face mask with the nose guard safe because the other laundry can't get to it. Another thing that I noticed was these bra balls, which would be awesome if I could get them to keep closed, but I can't. If you have a brand of bra ball that actually stays closed in the laundry, please do go ahead and leave us a comment on our YouTube channel. We would love to find that special bra ball that actually stays closed in the laundry because they would be so perfect. They come, once you get them, they come in 2 sizes. How awesome would that be to put your face mask in and just wash it with your regular laundry? If you don't have any of these, just keep in mind, if you have face mask with a nose piece, you need to protect the nose piece. So don't wash it with everything heavy, towels or jeans or anything that could crush it in the spin cycle. Or of course you can always wash it hot in the sink. That's a possibility. But we are also busy. So I really like the bra accessories for this to protect my face masks in the laundry, in the machine, and not have to worry about crushing my nose pieces. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks so much. Bye.